Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the documents that companies file with the government. Today we're looking at a company that, based on this report, seems to be having a really bad day. Let's see what happened. We're diving into an 8K filing. This is basically a company's way of saying, hey, something important happened and we need to tell everyone right away. It's like a corporate at signal. This report is all about something that happened on April 7, 2025. That's the day things apparently went south for Flora Corporation. Flora Corporation, the company we're looking at today, is based in Costa Mesa, California. The main point of this filing is that some very important people decided to leave the company. We're talking about members of the board of directors. But there is a lot more to the story than just people leaving. It turns out that Flora Corporation is in some serious financial trouble. The company filed a request with the court to be put into receivership. Receivership is like a step before bankruptcy, where a third party takes control of the company to try to sort things out. The court agreed and appointed a company called Stone Blossom Capital to be the receiver. They're basically in charge now. Then on April 7, Michael Lau, Heather Malloy and Jeffrey Sears all quit their jobs on the board of directors, and the day after, Al Foreman also resigned. All the directors resigned almost at the same time. That's not usually a good sign. It means the people in charge are jumping ship. The company is basically telling investors to be very careful with their stock. They say that the stock price might not have anything to do with what the company is really worth, and that people could lose all their money. Flora Corporation is warning everyone that their investments could become worthless. This is about as blunt as a company can be. They're saying, look, this is really risky and you might lose everything. So what does all this mean? Well, it looks like Flora Corporation is in deep trouble. They're in receivership. The board of directors has resigned, and the company is warning investors that they could lose everything. It is difficult to find any specific data about the company's financials in the filing, but if the company is requesting a receivership, it's likely they have debts they cannot pay. This situation is very risky for anyone holding stock in the company. Usually when a company goes into receivership or bankruptcy, the shareholders are the last ones to get paid. So if there's not enough money to go around, they could end up with nothing. As for the future of Flora Corporation, it's hard to say. The receiver will try to turn things around, but it's not easy to bring a company back from the brink. It's possible that the company could be sold, reorganized, or even liquidated, which means selling off all the assets and closing down. My assessment is that Flora Corporation faces very serious challenges. The receivership, mass resignation of board members, and stark warning to investors paint a grim picture. The company's direction is uncertain and the risks are substantial. If I were an investor, I would seriously consider exiting this position. While there's always a chance of a turnaround, the odds seem stacked against Flora Corporation at this point. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings. Let me know in the comments if there are any specific companies or filings you'd like me to cover in the future.